Hello my friend and welcome back to my home. We are getting those curtains open and getting her started today here in the master bedroom. I'm going to be stripping my bedding here, getting this locked and loaded into the laundry, and then we will mosey on throughout the house. I have been loving living in my more simplified home after doing my messy to minimal series and just kind of like decluttering my entire house. So let me know down below if you would like to hear a little bit more about my story and why I decided to go from messy to minimal, and maybe I can do a dedicated video to that. I also wanted to mention I have been using this Molly Suds laundry detergent for almost 2 years now. I think it's been a really long time and I love it so much. This is what I use on all of my laundry. Now that the laundry is done, I wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update and bring you outside to our garden. So these have been outside for about a week, maybe slightly over, and we started transplanting yesterday, but we ran out of time. So this is what's left. Bringing you over to the garden, that's kind of what we got done. So we have 3 rows of onions. They're all different kinds of onions, and then those are all peppers. So we have like red peppers, yellow peppers, orange peppers. We have a cayenne pepper in there, and then banana peppers, and then these will be jalapenos. Then over here is where we will put the cucumbers, I think, or the tomatoes. I don't know what my husband's decided. And obviously we have this entire other garden bed to fill. So this is what we did last year. And then we also have these black baskets, which are not our favorite. We did tomatoes in them last year and it was a total fail. So don't recommend doing that. And then over on the other side of the garden, we have a bunch of other ones. So again, I think we're gonna put a couple peppers in there. Not really 100% sure, but stay tuned for our little garden setup as it's coming along. It's really exciting and I'm happy to kind of share this process with you guys. Our backyard is just massive. We love it back here so much. So I'm obviously not like a professional when it comes to like the garden and stuff. It is kind of like my husband's forte. I just help him like do the transplanting, watering, and that sort of thing. He does all of it, like everything from seed, and like I said, we do that kind of indoor starting in December. I think I shared that on here. If not, I definitely shared it over on Instagram. But if you guys have any questions, let me know down below in the comments about, you know, the garden, planting seeds, anything like that, and I can get my husband to answer them.
There's nothing in this world more primal than my love for you. If you meet somebody else that's a rival, that much is true. Yeah, I know you said, baby, this is final, and I blame myself. All that's left of me now is an animal, and I cry for help. I wish my call's gonna reach you. Give it my all, 'cause I need you. Oh, let it go, let it go, let it go till I get you alone.
Now that we are knee deep here in laundry, I'm going to give you a little bit of editing magic to complete it. I truly wish I could complete laundry like that in real life. Gotta love editing for that reason. So we're going to go ahead and get this all put away, and then we are going to continue on through the house.
Can't keep my pain quiet any longer.
If you're wondering what I'm using here all over the living room, this is the Enjo dust mitt. I love this thing. It actually works on like status friction. So you just kind of give it a little rub, which I did off camera, and then it just attracts dust. The dust just clings to it. It is wild how much this stuff picks up. It's really, really great if you or people in your family suffer from asthma and allergies. I highly, highly recommend this product.
I'll be howling and howling and howling for you, babe. I'm going out with you tonight. Are you close to here? I'm feeling down, I don't know why. No, it's so surreal. Think I want you.
Stick with me here, the lighting gets a lot better. But now I'm just using my Enjo kitchen cloth. These Enjo products are all non-toxic cleaning products, which I absolutely love. I do try and really limit the chemicals in our home here, if you are new around here and don't know that. And I also just try and live a more simple, sustainable lifestyle. And so if that is something that you are interested in, I highly recommend hitting the subscribe button and giving this video a thumbs up while you are at it. But I needed to do some deep cleaning here in the dining room. I'm kind of embarrassed to show you this, but look at the bottom of my chairs. They were so bad. I did the bottom of the table, I don't know, maybe it was my last video or the one before that. One of my latest messy to minimal videos. Anyway, the bottom of the chairs were just as bad, but I haven't gotten around to doing it until this moment, which was so exciting to finally get it done. And the reason that I haven't been able to get to it is obviously with my daughter. If you guys are new here, she broke her leg over 6 weeks ago now, which is crazy. And I have some incredible news. She actually got her cast off on Tuesday, the Tuesday before that you're watching this video. And we are obviously so grateful that she got it off, and now we are just working on building her strength up, as she obviously has not been allowed to put any weight on it in the last 6 weeks. And so it's been quite the journey, but we are on the road to recovery, and I am just so happy. So I wanted to share that positive news with you guys. I would love to know if you guys have any positive things that are happening in your life lately. Let us know down below in the comments. I'd love to chat about it and just celebrate you, cheer you on, whatever it is. Sometimes it's just really nice to celebrate your wins, and so let us know down below. And lastly, if you were one of the amazing prayer warriors for our family, just know that I truly appreciate you. I got so many messages, so many prayers, so many positive vibes, and I just want you to know from the bottom of my heart that our family truly appreciates you.
I'm somewhere in the middle, try to find myself again.
So I do have a robot vacuum that I run literally 6 days a week, but sometimes I do like to pull out my big Dyson vacuum and just make sure that the floors are all clean. So I actually ended up vacuuming the entire main floor. I did like our master bedroom and the bathroom and stuff off camera, as they are just small rooms and sometimes it's hard to get a good angle of me cleaning the floors in here, which is why you literally like never see me do it. But the master bedroom was all clean and it feels so good. It takes me like way less time to clean my house now that I have simplified and minimized our home, and it just feels so great. But we had a couple things to do here in the kitchen, so we are moving back in here, and then we're gonna mop the whole house as well. So stay tuned for lots more motivation.
Remember I was laughing in all the photos that you took, but now it looks looks like acting, like we were fiction in a book. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I'm leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I move on. I got it, I gotta go, 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 running to better times. Go, 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 from my emotions I'll go, 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 running to better times, to better times, to better times.
If you are interested in the more messy to minimal and simplifying lifestyle, I highly want to encourage you to hop on over to my Instagram and follow me over there. I share a lot of like the systems and routines and just a lot of inspiring home motivation over there as well. And just a lot more of like decluttering motivation. So check it out over there. I will leave my handle here on the screen. And I hope to see you over there. I also like that we can chat in the DM, so feel free to send me a message and we can connect that way as well.
From the first time I saw ya, you were not like the others, a cool kind of melody. You rattled my cage without warning, kept it up right till the morning, a new kind of ecstasy. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be, a different side of me, yeah. Find a different side of me, like someone pretty neat, a different side of me, yeah.
This is my Enjo mop floor system, and if you're wondering what is in this yellow spray bottle, the only thing that I use to clean my house is Enjo. I am actually a professional cleaner outside of the home, and it's all I use in both my personal house and also my clients' homes. And so in that water bottle is just water. That's all it is, good old H2O. And then I'm using the Enjo fibers to clean my house. They clean on a pore deep level, and so they get your house really nice and clean. And I just honestly love the products. I do not sell it. I do not make any money if you purchase them. I just truly, truly love the products, so I had to give them a little shout out.
You'll find a different side of me, the one I'd like to be, a different side of me, yeah, yeah. You'll find a different side of me, like someone pretty neat, a different side of me, yeah, yeah. I can feel that you're changing me, day by day got me shedding skin. The layers are peeled away.
Thank you so much for being here and spending some time with me today. If you have any special video requests, go ahead and drop them down below in the comments. And again, let me know if you'd like to hear more of my messy to minimal journey and my story and kind of why I started to simplify my home. You might get inspired by it and relate. I think it is very common to go through what I went through and then just, yeah, kind of go on that decluttering journey. So thanks again for being here. I truly appreciate you. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.